I'm going to unboxing the order. First, I'm to unboxing order from our website of Alpha Heart Kids Foundation. The merchant's product, customized product. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to see this, to see the product. Yay, it's a hat. I got a hat. See the design. Alpha Heart Kids Foundation's customized product. Thank you, Alpha Heart Kids Foundation. Please buy our product, and our product goes to the 10% goes to our sponsorship with the children at the camp, or our special contribution. Thank you, everyone. That's our bottled water, a hat.